Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and in today's video I am showing you how I do my 2 bangs in a bun hairstyle. I'll have the products that I use linked in the description box below, as well as the hair that I use. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with blow dried hair. I did not wash my hair. Well, I washed the front, the leave out part, but the rest is a little wonky anyway. So I'm just parting out the 2 bangs, and then we're gonna twist those up and pull those out of the way. So now that I have my bangs pinned out the way, I'll be using some clip-ins. The clip-ins, I believe, are from Eon Hair. These are the best natural clip-ins that I have ever had. Anyways, I'll have those linked like I said, but I'm just getting the hair out the way so we can go ahead and install the clip-ins. I normally use only 2 just because my hair is already a bit full anyhow. So I just clip the clip-ins up instead of down. I want it to go the way that the ponytail goes, and it just makes the ponytail a lot flatter. If you want a bigger ponytail and or you don't have as much hair as I do, I would recommend doing more clip-ins. But again, y'all, my hair is already a bit full, so 2 is enough for me. I just need it for the sturdiness. But now I'm using my denim brush to put my ponytail into place. If you know, us natural hair girlies, denim brushes knock out them kinks in the back, and it just gets everything to lay flat. Now that I got my ponytail in, I'm just gonna comb it up just a little bit just to make sure the tracks are not showing. Anyhow, I'm going in with my edge control. This is from the local beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna put that all along my edges, and we're just gonna slick them back. And don't mind me on how long it took for me to slick back my edges. My edges are thin, so it takes me a while to get them just right. If you have any products that you would recommend for thin edges, because I have tried everything, go ahead and tell me in the comments below. But girl, yeah, it just takes me a little minute. And no, I don't want to use no dye, because I feel like the dye will do something like do more damage. You know what I'm saying? So I just need something just to grow them out. But anyways, girl, back to the tutorial. So now that my edges are laid, it's time to get into this ponytail. So the first option that I thought I was going to do was just wrap the hair around into a bun, but it was giving very loose. It was giving very just flimsy and normally that's usually not the way that I do my bun anyway. I just was testing it out. So yeah, I'm just going to twist the hair, just a simple twist like, you know, from the 3rd grade, what your mama used to do, and then we just gonna wrap it into a bun. Give it its shape, whatever shape that you like. I like for my bun to be irregular shapes and just real messy, just effortless. I don't like a perfect bun. And then after I got my shape and wrapped it around, I'm just gonna start pinning it down. Now getting into the bangs, I'm just gonna undo, you know, the little part, and then I'm gonna do a part straight down the middle because again, we doing 2 bangs in a bun. But yeah, after I get my part the way I want it, you know, straight, what other way? But anyway, then I'm just going to flat iron it with my flat iron, or do a flat iron curl, if that makes sense. You know, do a little curl at the end. And I do recommend using some heating spray. I normally do that and I have it sitting right in front of me and I forgot to use it, but yeah, I would recommend that. And as well, if you don't have long enough bangs, go ahead and add you some clip-ins in the front as well. I had some sitting in front of me that I was going to add, but I just felt like it was too much thickness, and I kind of wanted it to just be more natural. But I would recommend just adding some clips if you don't have long enough bangs. Now this step is optional. I always pull out my little baby hairs in the back. I don't even know if they're called baby hairs, but sis, that's what we're gonna call it. And I'm just gonna curl them up. Again, optional. Mine's always tend to come down, so we just gonna put them down, you know, why not? And this is what the hair is giving, sis. We are cute. This is my go-to style. So simple, so easy. You can like look real dressy with this look, and or, you know, just look real player like I look. Not player. Anyways, girl, the hairstyle is cute. And that's it. I don't have nothing else to say. I'll have whatever I can linked in the description box below, especially the clip-ins, girl, because they are tea. But anyways, girl, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video, girl. Bye.